Mastering interest problems in GMAT's quantitative reasoning. Hello, language learners and future GMAT takers. Today, we'll delve deep into the realm of interest problems in the quantitative reasoning section of the GMAT. These are word problems that involve calculating interest rates, principal amounts, or time periods. This might sound intimidating, but don't worry. With a clear understanding and a bit of practice, you'll be solving these problems with ease. Let's get started. And remember, interest problems are just word problems that involve some mathematics. In the GMAT quantitative reasoning section, interest problems require you to determine the interest accrued on a certain amount of money over a specific period of time. This might be simple interest or compound interest. You might be given the principal amount, initial sum, the rate of interest, and the time, and be asked to find out how much interest is earned. Sometimes, you'll have to work backward to determine one of the missing pieces of information. Key terms: principal, the initial sum of money; rate, the percentage at which interest is calculated; time, the period over which interest is accrued. The two main types of interest you'll encounter are simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is calculated on the principal amount throughout the entire period. The formula is simple interest equals principal times rate times time. Text, simple interest, equals text, principal, times text, rate, times text, time. Simple interest equals principal times rate times time. Compound interest, on the other hand, is calculated on the principal amount for the first period, and then on the new sum, principal plus previously accrued interest, for subsequent periods. The formula varies based on the frequency of compounding. GMAT interest problems can be broken down into a consistent structure. 1. Read the problem carefully and identify whether it's a simple or compound interest problem. 2. Extract key information: principal, rate, and time. 3. Plug into the appropriate formula. 4. Solve for the missing value, whether it's the interest accrued, principal, rate, or time. Example: if $1,000 is invested at 8% simple interest annually, how much interest will be earned after 3 years? Here, principal equals $1,000. Rate equals 8%. Time equals 3 years. Using the simple interest formula, you can easily find out the interest earned. 1. Always double-check if you're dealing with simple or compound interest. 2. Familiarize yourself with converting percentages to decimals. 3. Practice, practice, practice. The more problems you solve, the more comfortable you'll become. 4. Stay calm. Interest problems, like all word problems, can be solved methodically. Break down the problem step by step. And there you have it. We've unraveled the mystery of interest problems in the GMAT's quantitative reasoning section. Remember, like any other problem type, mastering interest problems comes down to understanding the basics and practicing consistently. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful. Best of luck with your GMAT preparations, and keep pushing forward.